Hey everyone, it's Dorothy from crazyforcrust.com and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest Christmas cookies. Like, no joke, these are so easy, they just take minutes to make. You're definitely going to want to add these cookie recipes to your Christmas cookie platters because they're super simple, super fast, and super cute. We love Christmas cookies in my house. We make tons of them all season long. But sometimes my daughter will come home and be like, Mom, there's a school party tomorrow and I need a dozen cookies. And I'm like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? Does that ever happen to you guys? Okay, so when that happens, I have you covered with this recipe. It's super easy and kids love these cookies, all of them. The secret to this easy cookie recipe is that I start with a refrigerated cookie dough. I know, it's super cheater, it's super semi-homemade, but it's so easy and fast and perfect for those last minute cookie needs. Now, if you want a from scratch cookie, you can use my sugar cookie recipe that's on my website. It'll totally work with all of these recipes. All right, so let's talk about Christmas cookies. The first one I'm gonna show you how to make is my favorite. It's super cute. They're reindeer cookies. Basically, you start with your sugar cookies already baked. So now you can use your refrigerator dough, you can use my cookie dough recipe, but just bake them and cool them. And then we're gonna decorate them to look like Rudolph. Right now, when it comes to cookie frosting, you can use a can of icing, super semi-homemade, super easy. But also feel free to use my sugar cookie icing. I absolutely love it. From scratch is delicious. All right, so frost your cookies with a layer of white icing. And then we're gonna turn them into Rudolph with using just a few simple ingredients. First, you add cookie eyeballs. You can buy these cookie eyes at almost every single craft store. You can find them on Amazon, and I even see them at Target and Walmart these days. Then add a red M&M for his red nose, and 2 chocolate-covered pretzels for antlers. Did you know you can buy chocolate-covered pretzels at the store? You find them with the snacks, sometimes with the chips or the cookies, but they always have them, and they're really, really good. And that's it. A Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer cookie. How cute is that? These are Christmas-like cookies. Also starts with a pre-baked cookie, so just go ahead and bake those cookies and cool them. Frost them with a layer of white frosting. Basically, just take some melted chocolate or some chocolate frosting if you have that. You could even dye white frosting a different color, like maybe green, like the green strands of Christmas lights. Pipe it onto the cookie to look like a strand of lights. You add your little Christmas lights. These are little chocolate-covered sunflower seeds. You can get these at most grocery stores. Some of them even sell them in the baking aisle. Sometimes they're in the snack or candy aisle. They also have these at craft stores, but they look like little Christmas light bulbs. So just add them to your light strand, and there you go. You have Christmas light cookies. And the third Christmas cookie recipe we absolutely love are cookie cups. I love making cookie cups because they're easy and they're fun. These, I use the refrigerated cookie dough. I just popped them into mini muffin pans and baked them until they were baked through. Let them cool completely and then remove them from the pan. Now these are gonna be kind of like surprise inside cookie cups because I'm gonna press a little hole in the center with a wooden spoon or my finger, and I'm gonna fill them with little mini red and green M&Ms. Now you could do this with any candy. You could use any color M&Ms if you want, but red and green is perfect for Christmas. Then use your cookie frosting to frost the tops so they look like little mini cupcakes, and top them with some cute sprinkles. And that's it. 3 easy cookie recipes that are perfect for your Christmas cookie platters. I hope you enjoy these. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and eat something sweet today.